Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Litmatch account. So if you also want to delete your Litmatch account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your Litmatch application. You can see over here Litmatch is opened. Now you'll have to go to your personal page. For that, tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see your name and your lit ID. Now what you have to do is go to settings. All you have to do is tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see several settings options. Scroll down and find the option for account. After you find the option for account, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see three options: Lit ID, email and delete account. In order to delete your account, all you have to do is tap on the option delete account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you have to check these options. You can see the first option, your personal data will be deleted. Simply tap on the circle that you can see right next to this option. Now continue it for other options too. You'll have to read these informations very carefully. Now after that, at bottom you'll be able to see two options, cancel and agree. All you have to do is tap on the agree option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You have successfully deactivated your Litmatch account. Now at here you'll be able to find the option for confirm. All you have to do is tap on it. Now your Litmatch account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Litmatch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.